Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking. In this series, we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs as they demonstrate how to prepare some of their favorite dishes. And now, here is today's host.
Hi, welcome to Creative Cooking. Our guest today is Alex Rodgriguez. Chef, welcome to Creative Cooking.
Thank you.
We're so happy that you have joined us today.
It's a great honor for me to be here.
How was the drive into town?
Oh, it wasn't bad. It was good.
Share with us ideas on the fusion of cuisines.
Well, we came out with the idea when we just arrived here. And I saw that your wonderful products, your wonderful spices and herbs that you have in Jamaica, doing some research, going around, going up to Blue Mountain, the grandmother's houses, and surrounded myself with good cooks.
Our early settlers were Spanish, and so we really have had Spanish influence on our cuisines.
You do.
So what are you cooking for us today?
I'm having I came out with a sea land crunch. There's a because you get product from the sea, from the land.
Yes, sure.
And
what are some of the products you have from the land?
Plantain, potatoes, local potato from the local farmers. I got pork, and I got shrimps. I got herbs, local herbs too.
And you're going to be cooking up a storm in a little while, right?
I will. Hello. Today I'm going to be cooking Sea Land Crunch. Is a fusion between Spanish cuisine with local products from Jamaica. We start with braiding these shrimps over coconut flakes and whisking some eggs. Little flour. We just roll the shrimps over flour. Cut it with some eggs. And we will cover it with some coconut flakes. Anybody can do this at home. It's easy, and you can impress your wife or your girlfriend. So we deep fry the shrimps till the coconut is golden brown. That will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Be careful, don't overcook it, right? You see how nice and brown the coconut flakes becomes. And then you will mix that flavor, sweet coconut, with the shrimps. Now we proceed to make this sauce. Take a pan, put a little olive oil, or oil, doesn't matter. A little garlic, a little onion, some margarine, and then we add the curry. That's a local Jamaican curry, very strong, but beautiful in flavor. I just sweat the curry with the butter, so all the flavors and the oil of the curry will come out. So we add we deglaze the curry with some carrot juice. Carrot juice you can find anywhere in the supermarket now. Or you can make your own fresh carrot juice. So you let them boil. And we got over here the plantain mashed potatoes. It's already done. It's easy to make. Just boil potatoes and plantains with milk and butter, a little salt. When it's tender, just drain the liquid, smash the potatoes together with the plantain, and add the liquid that you're reserving on the side, little by little, till you get that consistent that you want. It's a type of mashed potatoes with that crunchiness of the plantain. It's beautiful, believe me. Now that we have the sauce boiling, we just add a little more margarine, just for the smooth silkiness of the sauce. We want the sauce to be shiny, to show that beautiful carrot color, that orange color, right? We take a whisk, we just whisk the margarine on while it's boiling. So you can see it shines. Now, the meantime that my mashed potatoes is done, we just take a regular pastry bag that you can buy anywhere and fill the bag with the mashed potatoes. Take our plate. Place the mashed potatoes right in the middle. All right. Take our shrimps. We try to insert the shrimps against the edge of the plate and the mashed potatoes with plantain. It's easy, you just gotta be a little creative. Love what you're doing and it's gonna come out right. Place the sauce between the shrimps and the mashed potatoes. It's a very strong sauce because you got the sweetness of the shrimp with the coconut. We have a little prosciutto ham. This is a cured ham that is placed in the oven for 20 minutes, low temperature, maybe 120 degrees till you get that crispiness. Center in the middle. All right. Take a little garlic that is cooked on oil till you get this brownness. All right. Take some of the oil from the garlic and get that flavor. And we decorate the plate. You can decorate the plate any way you want. I like to put always some fresh herbs. I like to have my herbs in my hotel fresh from the local farmers. Put a little curry around and a little roasted coconut flakes. You know? You can use anything you want. You can be creative your own way. And here we have it. Fusion between Spanish cuisine and Jamaican products. It's a coconut-coated shrimps with plantain mashed potato and prosciutto ham.
Hi, Chef.
Hello.
Excellent presentation.
Thank you. Like I say, everybody can do this at home. Just a little love and imagination, and
A
you can do
little
it.
love. At Grace, we pass on that love.
That's
right?
right.
And so we're passing on this from our kitchen to your kitchen, and we're saying to you, use up the foods you have in creative ways so that your own families may enjoy the meal that is prepared. And cooking does not have to take forever, Chef.
No. This is a quick play. You can do it in 20 minutes. 20, 25 minutes can be done. Yeah.
Chef, thanks again.
Thank you.
Here's another Grace food and kitchen tip. And that's our show. Thanks for joining us. Remember, for this and other recipes, you may contact us at Grace Kitchens by email, by phone, or mail. Till next time, thanks for watching.
This is Chef Season on Creative Cooking, and we hope you enjoyed today's show. Join us every Monday morning at 7:35 as we showcase the talents of some of our favorite chefs, demonstrating some of their favorite dishes here on Smile Jamaica, It's Morning Time. Chef Season continues next Monday morning on Creative Cooking, 7:35 on TVJ, and with a repeat at 2:50 p.m. every Sunday afternoon. Don't miss it.